Namaste, my dear children. Welcome to distance learning sessions through videos. This video is made for class 2, subject maths, chapter number 4, addition and subtraction of 3-digit numbers. And this is first session on this chapter. Let us recall how to add and subtract 2-digit numbers. Example number 1. Rahul had a collection of 52 story books. He bought 19 more at the book fair. How many story books does Rahul have now? So Rahul had a collection of story books and he had 52 story books in his collection, and there was a book fair in his town. He has bought 19 more new books to his collection, and now we have to find how many story books does Rahul have now. So how this can be found? Yes, this can be found by adding 19 to 52. Let us do that now. Solution. To find the number of story books Rahul has, we will add 19 to 52. Let us write down the numbers vertically or one below the other, that is 52 plus 19. So after writing down, we have to add starting from the digits at ones place. So we add 2 and 9. And when you add 2 and 9, so what you get? 2 plus 9 is 11. For adding, you may use your fingers or you may draw standing lines. So what you can do is, you can remember 9 in your mind and add 2 to it. 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 plus 1 is 11. 11. So 11 ones are regrouped as 1, 10 and 1, 1. So 1, 1 is written in the ones place and 1, 10 is carried forward to the tens column, and we will add these numbers now. So 1 plus 5 is 6, 6 plus 1 is 7. Therefore, 71 is the sum of these two numbers. And what does 71 represent here? So 71 is the total number of story books Rahul have now. Number of story books with Rahul is equal to 52 plus 19 is equal to 71. This is what we have found now. So Rahul has 71 story books. So this is how we can find the total number of story books Rahul have after buying 19 new books from the book fair. Here we have some important points to be remembered. Remember, adding 0 to a number gives the same number. Examples: 15 plus 0 is equal to 15. So adding 0 to 15 you get 15. Or 29 plus 0 is equal to 29. So adding 0 to 29 you get 29 again. That means adding 0 to any number we get the same number. Second point. Adding 1 to a number gives the next number. Examples: 17 plus 1 is equal to 18. Adding 1 to 17 you get 18, and 49 plus 1 is equal to 50. So when you add 1 to any number, you will get the next number. Point number 3. Numbers can be added in any order. The answer will remain the same. Example: 25 plus 39 is equal to 59, and 34 plus 25 is equal to 59. So when you change the order of addition, the sum will not change. In the first case we are adding 34 to 25, the sum is 59. In the second case 25 is added to 34, the answer is again same. So 25 plus 34 is equal to 34 plus 25 is equal to 59. So by changing the order while adding, the sum or answer will not change, it remains the same. Example number 2. There are 42 students in a class. 18 are girls. How many boys are there in the class? So in a class, there are the total number of students in that class is 42. Among those 42 students, 18 are girls. So we have to find the number of boys in that class. This is a subtraction problem. To find the total number of boys in that class, what we should do is we have to subtract 18 from 42. Let us do that now. Solution: to find the number of boys in the class, we should subtract the number of girls from the total number of students. So 42 minus 18. So to subtract 8 from 2, it is not possible. We will regroup. That is, we will borrow 110 from the tens column. So 110 is equal to 10 ones. 10 ones and these 2 ones together becomes 12 ones. And subtracting 8 ones from 12 ones, we get 4 ones. And now here 3 is remaining, since 110 is borrowed to the next or ones column. So 3 tens minus 1 tens is equal to 2 tens. Therefore 24 is the difference, and it represents the number of boys in that class. The number of boys in the class is equal to 42 minus 18, which is equal to 24. We obtained now by subtracting. So there are 24 boys in the class. This is the conclusion or final answer of this question. Again, here we have few points to be remembered. Remember, subtracting 0 from a number gives the same number. So when you subtract 0 from any number, you will get the same number. Examples: 26 minus 0 is equal to 26. 37 minus 0 is equal to 37. So when you subtract 0 from 37, you get the 37 as difference. So subtracting 0 from any number will not change its value. Any number subtracted from itself is always 0. That means when you subtract a number from itself, same number, any number minus same number. Examples: 47 minus 47 is equal to 0. 62 minus 62 is equal to 0. 28 minus 28 is equal to 0. Whatever the number, if you subtract any number from itself, the difference will be always 0. When you subtract 1 from a number, the answer is the number before it. Examples: 55 minus 1 is equal to 54. 90 minus 1 is equal to 89. So when you subtract 1 from any number, you get the number which comes just before the given number. Remember these points. Addition of 3-digit numbers without regrouping. So now we will learn how to add 3-digit numbers. Come on, let's begin. Example number 1. Add 323 and 251. Solution. Let us write down the given numbers vertically or one below the other. So first we write 323 and just below that 251 in the place values chart or place values table. Here, as we know, O stands for ones, T for tens, and H for hundreds. So now we have to add these two numbers, and we always begin from ones column. 1 plus 3 is 4, and 2 plus 5 is 7, and 3 plus 2 is 5. For addition, you may use your fingers or you may draw standing lines according to your convenience. ನಿಮಗೆ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಸುಲಭನೋ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬೆರಳುಗಳ ಸಹಾಯವನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ ನೀವು ಗೆರೆಗಳನ್ನು ಹಾಕಿ ಕೌಂಟ್ ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ನೀವೇನಾದರೂ ಮೈಂಡಲ್ಲೇ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನು ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್. ತುಂಬ ಬೇಗ ನಾವು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಮೈಂಡಲ್ಲಿ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನು ಕಲಿತ್ರೆ. ದಟ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ನಿಮಗೆ ಮೈಂಡಲ್ಲೇ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಎಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಸೊ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಆಫ್ ನೌ ಯು ಮೇ ಯೂಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಫಿಂಗರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಲೈನ್ಸ್. This is how you can find the sum. Adding these two numbers, you get the sum as 574. 574 is the sum. ಇದೆರಡನ್ನು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಬರೋ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು? ಸಮ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳು. SUM, sum. Here in the number 323, 3 is in hundreds place, 2 is in tens place, and again 3 is in ones place. So this number has 3 hundreds, 2 tens, and 3 ones. Similarly, the number 251 has 2 hundreds, 5 tens, and 1 one. So the answer or the sum 574 has 5 hundreds, 7 tens, and 4 ones. Now let us see how we can add these numbers using the abacus. It is addition using the abacus. We consider the same example and we use the abacus to add these two numbers. So we have to add 323 and 251. So first let us consider the abacus in which there are 3 beads on ones rod, and there are 2 beads on tens rod, and 3 beads on hundreds rod. So now this abacus represents the number 323. So now we have to add 251 to this number, that is 323. So what we should do, there are 2 hundreds in the number 251, there are 2 hundreds. Therefore we should add 2 more beads to the hundreds rod. ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಹಂಡ್ರೆಡ್ಸ್ ರಾಡ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ನಾವೀಗ ಇನ್ನೂ 2 ಮಣಿಗಳನ್ನು ಹಾಕಬೇಕು, ಇನ್ನೂ 2 ಮಣಿಗಳನ್ನು ಹಾಕಬೇಕು, ಸೇರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ. ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಡೂ ದಟ್ ನಾವು. ಸೊ ಇನ್ನೂ 2 ಮಣಿಗಳನ್ನು ಹಾಕಿದ್ವಿ. ನಂತರ ಒಟ್ಟು ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಣಿಗಳಾಯ್ತು ಇವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಣಿಗಳಿವೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗ? 1 2 3 4 5 ಬೀಡ್ಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇವಾಗ. ಸೊ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ರೈಟ್ 5 ಹಿಯರ್. ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೀಡ್ಸ್ ಇವಾಗ? 5. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ 5 ಬೀಡ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ 5. ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಆ್ಯಡ್ 5 ಮೋರ್ ಬೀಡ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಈ ಎರಡನ್ನು ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? 2 ಮಣಿಗಳ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಾವು ಇನ್ನೂ 5 ಮಣಿಗಳನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇರಿಸಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಆ್ಯಡ್ 5 more beads on tens rod. So 5 beads ಅನ್ನು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ನಂತರ ಒಟ್ಟು ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೀಡ್ಗಳಾಯಿತು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ? ಸೊ ಮೊದಲು 2 ಇತ್ತು, ನಂತರ ನಾವು 5 ಮಣಿಗಳನ್ನು ಸೇರಿಸಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಒಟ್ಟು ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಣಿಗಳಾಯ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇವಾಗ? there are 7 beads. On one's rod there are 3 beads, and we should add 1 more bead because we have 1 in one's place in the number 251. So we have to add 1 bead to one's rod. So when we do that, there will be 4 beads on the one's rod. So now the number represented by this abacus is 574, which is same as we added these two numbers directly using the numbers. So using abacus also we get the same answer. Obviously we should get. So adding 323 and 251 using abacus we get the sum 574. This is how we can use an abacus to add two numbers. Try these number 1. So we have to add these numbers in question number 1 and 2. Let us write down these numbers one below the other and we will add these numbers to get the sum of these two numbers. Here I have written down the given numbers in question number 1, that is 234. I have written here 234 and 541. I have written 541 here, and we are adding these two numbers, so I put a plus sign behind the second number. So now we have to add these two numbers starting from one's place, that is we have to add 4 and 1, that is 4 plus 1 is 5. We have to write 5 in one's place, and in tens place we have 3 and 4. We have to add 3 and 4. 3 plus 4 is 7. Write 7 here. And 2 plus 5 is also 7. So the sum of the given two numbers is 775. There are 7 hundreds, 7 tens and 5 ones in this number. So I have written the numbers in second question. It is 400. I have written here 400 and 368. So 368, and we have to add these two numbers starting from one's place. It is 0 plus 8 is 8, because we know that adding 0 to any number will give us the same number 8. Again 0 plus 6 is 6, and 4 plus 3 is 7. The answer or the sum we get is 768. So like this we can add the 3-digit numbers. Exercise 4A. Again we have 3-digit numbers to be added. Let us add these numbers to get the answers. Here in question number 1 we have 441 plus 325. Let us add these numbers starting from one's place. 1 plus 5 is 6. Let us write 6 in one's place. 6. And in tens place we have 4 and 2. 4 plus 2 is 6. And 4 plus 3 is 7. 766 is the sum. Coming to second question, we have 100 plus 796. Let us add these numbers. 0 plus 6 is 6. Let us write 6 here in one's place. And 0 plus 9 is 9. 1 plus 7 is 8. 896 is the sum. Coming to question number 3. 815 plus 123. Let us add 5 and 3 first. So 5 plus 3 is 8. 1 plus 2 is 3. And 8 plus 1 is 9. 938 is the sum. Coming to question number 4. We have to add 612 and 371. First we add 2 and 1 starting from one's place. 2 plus 1 is 3, and let us write down 3 in one's place, and then 1 plus 7 is 8. 6 plus 3 is 9. 983 is the sum. Here in question number 5 we have 337 and 311. Let us add now. So 7 plus 1 in ones place. 7 plus 1 is 8, and we write 8 here in ones place. And 3 plus 1 is 4. Let us write 4 here. 3 plus 3 is 6. Now let us move to the question number 6. Here we have to add 713 and 123. Starting from ones place, we add 3 plus 3 first. So 3 plus 3 we get, adding 3 to 3 we get 6. Right, 6 in ones place. And 1 plus 2 is 3. 7 plus 1 is 8. 836 is the sum. Question number 7. 333 plus 123. So again we add 3 plus 3 in ones place. So we get 6. 3 plus 3 is 6. 2 plus 3 is 5, or 3 plus 2 is 5. 3 plus 1 is 4. 456 is the sum. Coming to question number 8, we have 132 plus 867. Add 2 and 7 first. 2 plus 7 is 9. Write 9 in ones place. 3 plus 6 is 9. 8 plus 1 is also 9. 999 is the sum. Question number 9. 0 plus 6 is 6. 8 plus 1 is 9. 4 plus 5 is 9. In question number 10, 5 plus 3 is 8. 0 plus 9 is 9. 4 plus 2 is 6. 698 is the required sum. We have some more questions. Question number 11. 515 plus 122. So let us add the digits at ones place first. That is 5 plus 2. So 5 plus 2, what do you get? So adding 5 plus 2, you get 7. 1 plus 2 is 3. And 5 plus 1 is 6. Coming to question number 12. 0 plus 4 is 4. 5 plus 0 is 5. 4 plus 1 is 5. 554 is the sum. Question number 13. 8 plus 0 is 8. 1 plus 2 is 3. 7 plus 2 is 9. 938 is the sum. Question number 14. 1 plus 2 is 3. 6 plus 2 is 8. 5 plus 2 is 7. 783 is the sum. Coming to question number 15. 5 plus 3 is 8. 0 plus 6 is 6. 3 plus 1 is 4. 468. Question number 16. 0 plus 7 is 7. 5 plus 0 is 5. 4 plus 1 is 5. 557 is the sum. Question number 17. 3 plus 5 is 8. 1 plus 2 is 3. 4 plus 5 is 9. 938 is the sum of these two numbers. Question number 18. 333 plus 444. Starting from ones column, we add 3 plus 4 is 7. Again 3 plus 4 is 7. 3 plus 4 is 7. 777 is the sum of these two numbers. Now let us add the numbers in question number 19. 605 plus 124. Starting from ones place, we add 5 and 4, and 5 plus 4 is 9. 0 plus 2 is 2. 6 plus 1 is 7. 729 is the sum. In question number 20, we have 406 plus 152. So we will add these numbers. Starting from ones place, we add 6 and 2. 6 plus 2 is 8. 0 plus 5 is 5, 4 plus 1 is 5. 558 is the required sum. Like this, we can add 3-digit numbers. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned how to add 3-digit numbers. Thank you for watching. Bye bye children.